It's meditation time. Hello, my lovely one. You're struggling to get to sleep? Then join me for this sleep meditation, a progressive sleep meditation. So, remember that tonight there is nowhere to go, nothing to solve, and nothing to carry for a while. The day can rest behind you, just for a little time. So when you're ready, close your eyes and listen to my voice. Just let your body be held by the bed beneath you, as though the mattress knows exactly how to carry every ounce of you. Take one easy breath in and let it out slowly. Then another. And again, a longer, softer breath out. One more time, in and out, as though the breath is a little lantern dimming. Well done. And now bring to your awareness the top of your head. The scalp softening. The forehead smoothing. The tiny muscles around the eyes letting go. The cheeks loose and easy. The jaw unclenching. And the tongue resting on the floor of your mouth. Your whole face becoming calm and heavy, as though sleep has already begun there. Now the neck softening. The shoulders dropping their bags. Those shoulders have carried much, but they can rest now. Feel the softness spreading down both arms, upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, little fingers, even the fingertips growing still and sleepy. And let your chest be easy. Breathing itself. Nothing to manage. The heart keeping its ancient rhythm. The tummy soft, warm, rising and falling. rising and falling. Like the tide that knows what to do without being told. Now bring your awareness to your back. Let the upper back melt. The middle back unfasten. And the lower back widen and soften, as though gravity itself is tucking you in. Now your hips growing heavy. Your thighs. Knees unburdened. Calves softening. Ankles releasing. Feet relaxing. Soles of the feet quiet. Toes loose. Every last tiny toe drifting. Now feel the whole body together, from crown to toes. One calm field of softness. One gentle person resting. And if there's any other place still holding on, you can breathe into it. Breathe out of it. Softly. Kindly. No force. And imagine now that sleep is like a warm evening mist moving across a meadow. Drifts over the forehead, across the eyes, through the shoulders, down the arms, across the chest. Through the belly, down the legs and through the feet. And everywhere it passes, you grow a little more drowsy, a little heavier, a little further from the day. And thoughts may come and float by. Let them drift, like boats seen far out on dark waters. No need to climb aboard. Just watching them pass, breathing, resting, drifting. And perhaps now you can begin to hear less of my voice and more of sleep itself. of the quiet. Breathing in, breathing out. Heavier, softer, sleepier. It's as if the whole night is wrapping you around in kindness. And if sleep arrives now, you can let it take you. And if sleep arrives in a minute, let it take you then. There's nothing more to do. Just drifting, floating, softly, softly, softly. Good night, my friend. Go softly on.